What's up, SoCo dudes and dudettes? Probably mostly dudes, but per our analytics, the dudettes are out there. I'm Brian with SoCo Customs, and today we have a 2020 Ford F-150 in this beautiful blue. We set this truck up 6 inches on the rough country kit. The customer opted for the extended strut for that better than factory ride. The wheels are the Motiv Mutants. I really like this black and machine look because it doesn't overdo the silver, but you still have some of it. These are a 20x10 and a -25 offset. Of course, this build wouldn't be complete without a 35-1250 Klever RT. Alright guys, Brian, SoCo Customs, thumbs up, subscribe. We have some merchandise too, so please hit us up for some of that. We do ship.